Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, we have a shout out. We have a shout out for all those scholars who were working hard in their science class, reading class, math class, and writing classes. I heard some amazing things about all of our scholars. So nice work, scholars. Keep up the hard work. I also have noticed that our attendance has been going up, up, up. Super exciting. That means that you are coming to school every single day, which means you won't fall behind and you'll know everything you need to know as you get ready and prepare yourself for a lifelong adventure into the next grade. So, scholars, keep up the hard work. I appreciate all you do. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.